Every premium floor begins deep inside a thriving bamboo forest.
Fresh bamboo reaches the factory for precision processing.
Precision cutting prepares every stalk for deep cleaning. Powerful washing reveals clean, high-quality bamboo beneath every stalk. Each stalk becomes perfectly uniform strips for premium flooring. Controlled heat strengthens bamboo and creates its rich, natural color. Precise drying ensures lowers lasting strength and dimensional stability.
Perfectly smooth strips prepare for the bonding process.
A flawless adhesive layer creates the foundation for exceptional strength. Precision alignment guarantees flawless flooring panels every single time. Extreme pressure transforms bamboo into incredibly strong flooring panels.
Controlled cooling locks in strength and lasting stability.
Computer-controlled machining creates perfectly fitting flooring edges.
Every surface becomes flawlessly smooth before protective finishing begins.
Protective coatings preserve beauty and durability for decades. Ultraviolet curing seals lasting protection into every flooring panel. Every panel undergoes rigorous inspection before earning approval. Only the strongest panels continue to final production.
Final finishing prepares premium flooring for customers worldwide.
Automation protects every floor before its global journey begins. Finished flooring awaits shipment inside a fully automated warehouse. Every shipment begins its journey with perfect logistical precision. Nature and engineering unite beneath every beautiful step. From forest to forever, craftsmanship transforms bamboo into timeless flooring.